think I hear some Feijoa flower munchers. Right there in the pineapple guava. They make a lot of sound and make it obvious that they're here. Come on guys, I heard yous arrive. There he is, there's one of them. See him? Caught red-handed. Feijoa flower muncher. Yeah. Oh, he's upset, he's upset, he's upset. There's about 2 or 3 of them. Oh, and they've got a scout up on the pine tree. Uh-huh. So he's basically telling me to buzz off. Oh, wow. More arrived. Uh-uh. Jeez. Someone's really upset. Really upset. See those flowers there? That's what they're pecking on. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, I'm not giving him any space, even though I'm 40 feet away. 40 feet away, and he's crying. All the evidence. Caught red-handed. See that, guys? Australian parrots. Yeah. Yeah, he's innocent, isn't he? So innocent. Okay. I'm only about 8 feet away from him now. Pretty close. Hey! All right, that did it. So what they're eating is what I was eating on one of the previous videos. See these white petals? They're succulent and sweet. The white ones here. See those? Yeah, it still doesn't affect the fruit setting, but yeah, that's what they're doing. That's the main pineapple guava I have, which is over 15 years old, at 3.5 meters high and 3 meters wide. And boy, do I butcher it. I removed all the undergrowth, oops, over early spring. This year was fully loaded with branches. Right, now I don't like that. I want to be able to stand under the tree, right? Not be blocked. I couldn't even walk past here. This is a pathway, and I wasn't able to walk through here because my head would hit the branches that were poking out. So I like a tree to be bare at the bottom and have all the goodies up there to reach. There's an abundance of flowers here that they also just finished working on. So not many petals left here on this one. And then there's this pineapple guava, which is still coming. They come at different stages. See how some of them have already set fruit at the back there, and these haven't even flowered yet. So it's a combination of done and yet to be done. These are about 7 years old. This one and the first one I showed you down there. Yeah, they've grown really quick, really big and bushy. And the newest member is this one, which is about a year younger, at around 6 years old. This is a different variety to the other three. I don't know what varieties these are. They were sold as seedlings, I think, unnamed. And this one was the first to flower back in early spring, and these have all set. They've already done their job, so now we're just waiting for the fruit to start forming. There's a few flowers, but not much, and some that haven't even opened, which is an exception to the case. But yeah, lots and lots and lots of Feijoa is coming over late autumn. These come in autumn, which is April and May. Yep. We get so many that we just can't keep up. Half of them fall to the ground and return to the tree, and the other half we eat ourselves or share them with friends. Literally squillions, at least 300 plus from each tree. And it's not just the parrots that like the fruit petals. It's also the minor birds, and there you go. And the two just flew in there. The tiny little, I don't know what they're called, robins, jaybirds. They're tiny, like 3 or 4 inches big. He's gonna fly out now as soon as he sees me. There he is. Yeah, I can see him jumping. Oh, he just flew out. Oh, his friend flew out too. Yeah. Anyway, that's the story on the pineapple guava flowers, or the flower petals. Hope you guys enjoyed this fun video, and that you'll like and share with your friends. It's really blowing up here. Blow, blow, blow. Windy, always windy in Melbourne, every season. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe as well if you haven't, and we'll see you from the next video.